Give me a beat. Give me a beat. Give me a beat. Nigger. Hawak mo ng beat. It's 7 o'clock on the dot.
7 o'clock.
I'm in my crop. It's 7 o'clock in the dot. I'm in my crop. I'm in my crop top, cruising the city with my own Glock. Cruising the city in my own Glock. So I wanna feel a pretty little thing. That's why I gotta give it to me. You used to call me on my cell phone. But it was actually an iPhone.
Damn. Shabi.
All my upstairs. Hey. How many grasshoppers you got?
Hey.
How many Stevens you got?
Hey.
That's why it's glowing and fucking. How many grasshoppers you got? How many Stevens you got?
37.
That's why Stephen has to have a blow job. Stephen has a job. Stephen has a job. Stephen has a job. Stephen has a job. A blow job.
Blow job.
Hand job.
Blow job.
Go shop.
Blow job.
Cow job.
Blow job.
Dog job.
Blow job.
Black job.
Gay job.
Gay job.
Gay bar.
Gob job.
Gay bar. Gay bar. Gay bar. Gay bar. Gay bar. Gay bar.
Whoa.
Gay bar.
Come on. Oh. I'm about to go to I'm gonna go to a gay bar.
Gay bar. Stephen, kinantot si Stephen. Kantot.
Kantot chicken, kantot naked. Nag-break ang chicken na gano'n eh. Kinanot ko yung gano'n pero biglang nawa. Nawala ba? Di ko alam. Pinagnana na Stephen na. Floor on the Stephen na. Look, all these grasshoppers na maganda na. But nag-move. So, di ko alam kung bakit si Stephen ay nag-move. Nakita ko may cancer. So, diyak sign niya, cancer. Said, nakita siya ng black boy. Yun, naging racist na siya. Sinabi niya, nigger. Sinampak na pinagsuntok ng black guy si Stephen. Pinagsuntok ng black guy si Stephen. Yun lang nawala. Yung stand on the beat,
Beat bro.
Tina on the beat, bro. Yeah, Tina on the beat, bro. Girls like fanboys, Girls like fanboy, what? Girls like fanboys, what? No, stepping into uncle, but Tina's my guy. I got sample on my side. So, I got a big beat, go. 3 inches to 3.5. Is it hard? Is it soft? No. F cup ba si Steven? Saggy boobs? No. I don't know. No.
Saggy.
Pusit, bulbul siya. Supot, bulbul siya. Pusit, bulbul siya. Supot, bigla nawala. Rapid squirt, rainbow squirt. Gay. Lesbian. Gay. Lesbian.
Who's gay?
Tino on the beat, yo. So, Hatsuniku, Shite, Shono, Hasha, Shi. Sinisaw mo na, be. So, sinisaw mo na to. I got a dog in me. I got a cat in me. Got a cat. What dog? What cat? 2 animals dick inside me. Hey.
What's inside?
2 animals dick inside me. So I gotta eat soybeans. Yeah, that's so sticky, so gotta be bean. How many gum stains do you got? I got 5 gum stains in my bag, so I'm gonna say dog for the so switch up the beat, dog. So pissing the Stephen dog comes on the stage. I gotta go home. Where? Go. Where? So.
Where's Stephen? Under the floor.
So I gotta go where? Stephen's floor, on Stephen's floor. So I gotta go where? I gotta go where? On,
I'm wet,
on,
I'm wet,
on,
I'm wet,
on,
I'm wet,
on
I'm wet,
Stephen's
I'm
floor,
wet.
yeah, Stephen's floor. Stephen's wet. On floor, on floor. That's the
What's
same.
wet?
I gotta blow and a blow and a blow and slow. Slow,
Blow,
slow, blow and blow.
blow,
Blow, blow, blow. Gotta go blow, blow, blow. Yeah, 5, 6, 7,
blow,
9,
blow,
9, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Yata dadating yun.
6:30. 6:30.
Tangin na, 6:30 ang dating nun.
I don't know. Maybe no. Or I don't know. Because Stephen is in the floor. What? Basta 6, 7. I'm not done yet rubbing this shit.
What?
Because I have so many things in my mind.
What's on your mind?
Lenovo. My tablet is Lenovo. Bonole. Si Stephen Galvo. Ah. Can't hang around, waste my time. I will stop the break on. Yes sir. Got to treat it passenger. Your price you call it sir. Let go the best, I'm sure. Keep going, no it hurts. That's why I can get rest. That's why I gotta wait my turn. Wake up, no one anymore myself. Just another day, gotta spend it well. How many more can I make myself? Such a well. Turns out I gotta kill myself. I'm dead. Can't hang around to waste my time. I will start to the baseball. Yes sir. Got to swing it passenger. Your price, your bullet, sir. Let go the best, I'm sure.
Yeah. End it, bro.
I'm sure. You sure? You know it hurts. That's
And
why
it-
I couldn't get hers. That's why I gotta make it. Pull up the beat like a notification. Doing my army with no notifications.
That's a good.
Pull up the army, down in the nations. You know, be waiting, you know, I'll be patient. Right. I didn't know well. Turns out, I am dead in my well. I'm dead. Gay as dead.
What's a gay dip?
Welcome to Adam's Kagaguhan Moments Part 4. Today, I am eating a dried ass sock.
Damn.
A dried ass sock. Look, a sock.
What do you gotta suck?
I got a dried ass sock. I'll suck it. This Adam's Kagaguhan Moments will be continued in Kuya Jay's restaurant. So, stay tuned when I go inside Kuya Jay. So, bye-bye.